What's up guys, Marco from Auto Magicians here with another walkthrough estimate video. This time we're having a look at a nasty dent on this BMW right behind me. We're gonna fix it with our paintless dent repair method. Okay guys, let's have a closer look at this one here. Yeah, there it is. You can see in the center of this door, there's quite a sharp dent, which I could only assume came from the edge of another car door. This is what you would call a nasty door ding. You can still see the scuff left over from that other car door that hit it. Must have been a good whack, but we could definitely polish that out. It's just on the surface. It hasn't gone through. So that'll definitely polish out. If you look up top here, there's another dent. It's a little larger, but a little more shallow. Still all kind of caused by that car door that hit it. Now, it's a sharp dent, but it's doable. This one's doable. Sometimes we can't do them. There is limitations to paintless dent repair. Any sharper than this, and he would probably have to opt for auto body and paint. Just because what happens is the metal stretches, and when there's extra metal now, you have sort of what we call an oil can effect, where it just sort of pops in and out. It's thinned out the metal, and it pops in and out. It's just not the right circumstances for paintless dent repair. Okay, so just a little bit on how we plan to access this dent and the procedure that's involved. Of course, if you look at our how we do it videos, you get more detailed explanations of how we get these dents out. But this one in particular, what we're gonna do is we're gonna access from the top of the window. So the window comes down. We wedge this area open, put a special glass guard inside the window, and our tools slide down the inside of the panel and massage the metal out from the inside. You can expect a dent like this to run you anywhere between $150 to $350, depending on the severity, the access, and a few other factors. Also about a 1 hour to a full day repair time. All right guys, that's it for this one. For more information or for a free estimate, please feel free to stop by, send us an email or call. Also, don't forget to check out our website, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one.